just joined Team Galaxy. Samsung sent me their S23 Ultra. I'm excited to unbox it with you guys. Oh my god, this is so cute! Welcome to Team Galaxy. Yay. Gotta get to the phone. Look at this. Galaxy S23 Ultra. So excited to be moving over to Samsung because this S23 Ultra has a Snapdragon 8 Gen, which means gaming's gonna be on a whole new level. We have to get a cheeky screen pull. Let's see if I can do this. New phone, who dis? I'm not gonna lie, I was so nervous from moving from my old phone to my new Samsung phone because I had so many memories and content on my old phone that I just didn't want to lose it. But luckily with Smart Switch, it is so simple. I'm shocked. Oh my god, that was so easy. If you've been thinking about making the move to Samsung and you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll answer them in my next video.